In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own LoFi YouTube channel that can be monetized using AI. Not only that, but I will also show you how you can combine it with other money-making methods, so make sure to watch until the end. Let's go! You may be familiar with this channel right here. It is called LoFi Girl, and it is getting billions of views. When we look at their social blade, we can see that they are making around $5,000 a day. And while this is just an estimate, I can tell you that they are making a lot of money. All they do is post simple LoFi beats with a background image, and they are not the only LoFi channel that is being this successful. There are plenty, like this chill hop music channel, for example, which is also extremely successful. So, okay, we also want to do that and make money from it. What do we need? Well, we need a YouTube channel and we need the content. But what do we exactly need to get monetized on YouTube? We need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time and upload original content. While this seems all a bit too much, I'm going to give you tips on how you can grow your YouTube channel faster and how you can get the required 4,000 hours of watch time in turbo mode. And of course, I will show you how you can make the original content. And next to YouTube monetization, I will show you how you can use your LoFi channel to make money using different methods. Because next to YouTube monetization, you can also combine your earning methods with affiliate marketing, community posts, sponsorships, brand deals. So to begin, let's get started by creating the content. First, we will generate the background image. Let's use a free image generator called Leonardo AI. What sets Leonardo AI apart is that it gives us a commercial license for each generated image, allowing us to monetize it. Let's go to the Leonardo AI website. You can either create an account or simply log in just as I'm doing. Once inside, we'll need to select an image model that suits our needs. This one should work perfectly. It is the Anima Pastel Dream model. Now let's adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. This way we get a horizontal image. In the text box, we must enter a prompt. Simply copy the prompt I am using. With the prompt in place,